This tutorial consists some problems related to types of relations. Give an example of a relation which is first one symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Second one transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Third one reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Fourth one reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. And last one symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. Now consider a set A equal to set 5, 6, 7. Define a relation R on this set as R equal to 5, 6 and ordered pair 6, 5. Now in this case here A has 3 elements 5, 6, 7. Now this R consists only ordered pair 5, 6 and 6, 5. There is no these types of elements A, 5, 5, ordered pair 5, 5 not belongs to this R. Ordered pair 6, 6 not belongs to R. Ordered pair 7, 7 not belongs to R. That is ordered pair A not belongs to R. So this relation is not reflexive. Now here 5, 6 belongs to R, 6, 5 belongs to R. So this relation is symmetric. Now consider 5, 6 and 6, 5. Now here this is of the form AB, BC. Now AC is 5, 5. That ordered pair 5, 5 is not in this relation. So this relation is not transitive. So this relation is symmetric but not reflexive, not transitive. Now second one, consider a relation R on set of all real numbers capital R given by R equal to set of all ordered pairs AB such that A is less than B. Here the relation is A less than B. Now ordered pair AA not belongs to R because A is strictly less than B. AB belongs to R if A is strictly less than B. A is not equal to B. So AA not belongs to R since A is not less than A. So this relation is not reflexive. Now ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to R since 1 is less than 2. Okay, ordered pair AB belongs to R if A less than B. 1 is less than 2, so ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to R. But 2, 1, ordered pair 2, 1 not belongs to R because 2 is not less than 1. So this relation is not symmetric. Now consider two elements AB and BC belongs to R. Now AB belongs to R implies A is less than B. BC belongs to R implies B is less than C. Now by using these two inequalities we get A is less than C. A less than B, B less than C implies A is less than C. So ordered pair AC belongs to R. So the relation is transitive. So above relation is transitive but not reflexive and not symmetric. Now consider a set A equal to set 4, 6, 8 and define a relation R on this set by set of all ordered pairs 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 4, 6, 6, 4, 6, 8 and 8, 6. Now this relation consists 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8. That is ordered pair AA belongs to R for all A belongs to A. So this relation is reflexive. 4, 6 belongs to R, 6, 4 belongs to R, 6, 8 belongs to R implies 8, 6 belongs to R. That is for all AB belongs to R, ordered pair BA is also in R. So this relation is symmetric. Now consider elements 4, 6 and 6, 8. Now this are of the form AB, BC. Resulting element is AC, that is 4, 8. That element is not in this relation. So this relation is not transitive. So R is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Now fourth one, define a relation R in set of all real numbers capital R as R equal to set of all ordered pairs AB such that A cube is greater than or equal to B cube. Now here ordered pair AA belongs to R as A cube is equal to A cube. Here we have the inequality greater than or equal to. So here we can take A cube is equal to A cube So ordered pair AA belongs to R for all A belongs to capital R. So R is reflexive. Now consider ordered pair 2 1 belongs to R. Now ordered pair 2 1 belongs to R because 2 cube is 8. 8 is clearly greater than 1 cube. But 1 2 ordered pair 1 2 not belongs to R because 1 cube is less than 2 cube. So R is not symmetric. Now consider AB and BC belongs to R. This implies A cube is greater than or equal to B cube and B cube is greater than or equal to C cube. From these two we get A cube is greater than or equal to C cube. So ordered pair AC belongs to R, so R is transitive. So this relation R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Let A equal to set 1 2 3 and a relation R on A defined as set of ordered pairs 1 1, 2 2, 1 2, 2 1. Now here ordered pair 3 3 not belongs to R, so this R is not reflexive. Now here 1 2 belongs to R, 2 1 belongs to R. For all AB belongs to R, ordered pair BA is also in R, so this R is symmetric. Now 1 2 2 1 elements of the form AB BC, resulting element is 1 1 belongs to R. Then when we consider 2 1 1 2, resulting element is 2 2, that is also in R. So this relation is transitive. So this relation is not reflexive but it is symmetric and transitive. Okay, thank you.